Hey everyone, if your USB ports are not working on your PC, like your mouse, keyboard, or flash drive isn't being detected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix USB ports not working step by step in 2026 using simple methods that usually solve the problem quickly. First, restart your computer and try plugging the USB device into a different port. Sometimes a temporary system glitch causes ports to stop responding. So, yeah, a simple restart can actually fix it. Next, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Look for any device showing a yellow warning icon. Right-click each USB controller and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will install the correct driver if an update is available. Now open Properties for USB Root Hub, go to the Power Management tab, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This often fixes ports randomly disconnecting, After that, click Action at the top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to redetect USB ports and connected devices. If USB ports still don't work, open Control Panel, go to Power Options, and disable Fast Startup. Sometimes Windows loads drivers incorrectly during fast boot. Restart your PC and enter BIOS settings. Look for USB configuration and make sure USB ports are enabled. If disabled, your system won't detect any USB devices at all. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix USB ports not working on a PC in 2026. Go through each step carefully, and yeah, your USB devices should start working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.